Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Kidman and welcome to Automation Engineering 101. I am a testing and solutions architect with a passion for testing, machine learning, and making software engineers better testers and software engineers. In this course, I will introduce you to the world of testing and automation, which is rarely taught in schools and universities. Yet, it is one of the most sought-after skill sets in the software engineering and tech space. For example, Tesla hires testing and reliability engineers to test their self-driving cars. But this doesn't mean that we literally sit inside the car and watch the car drive itself. That would be pretty boring. Instead, we use our testing expertise and programming skills to test the software that drives and manages the car while also measuring its performance and reliability. Because it's so challenging, Tesla pays anywhere between $80,000 to $120,000 per year for someone with the skill set. That's like saying you get paid $2,000 to $3,000 every 2 weeks. That's good money, but it also shows that these companies are very serious about finding the right people with these right specialized skill sets. They want people that can help make sure their stuff works, but also accelerate getting their products and services to their customers. In this course, I will introduce you to key concepts like software testing, but we'll be doing it with actual code, actual tests, and actual automation. Some of the things we'll be covering are: what is software testing? What is an automation engineer? And why are they so important to the software product development lifecycle? What is human-centric testing versus automated testing? How can we use both of them? We'll be using Python as our language of choice because it's used for a lot of things, all the way from programming and functional stuff, all the way to machine learning and data intelligence. We'll be covering automated testing basics, and then of course, how to use testing to drive better decisions, better designs, and overall better code. I am so excited to start this journey with you into testing and automation. In the next lesson, we'll get your machine set up so that way we can start writing Python code. So let's get to it.